So guys, I am on the road. I am on the road. And guess what? Here's what I'm carrying on my head. It's too hot. That's why you are seeing me just having something on my head, because it is very hot. The count on me, God, you feel like you are on the coast. But then guys, here I have something. Someone gave me the things that I'm carrying on my head, and this is a motorbike. Groundnuts. Guess what? Groundnuts. When I feel like having fresh groundnuts, I have to go and just prepare them so that I'm gonna eat. First time someone gifts me with groundnuts. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and if you are new here, my name is Grace Mission. Thank you so much for coming to support me. I really appreciate the love, guys. Cannot take it for granted. And here we are. See where we are. Over there, those dry leaves, people have already harvested. On this, that's a weed. If that one enters at your fence, it's gonna kill all the flowers. Maybe if you had a very good fence, that one spoils. You see how it is hanging, like also the maize there, it is very fresh. This is the village, guys. So hope you enjoy the video. Kindly like the video, share to your friends. I know you have amazing friends, guys. I really appreciate the love always. Boom boom. Now let's move. Watch the video until the end. Don't skip the ads, guys. So we are people are not I think what can we say, is it densely populated, because people are not hawako wengi sana, like in town. Like this is the real village. And usually, guys, if you see here, this is a sisal. This is the boundary. I can't say like that. This is the boundary, and you see over there, this one here, we're gonna harvest them. So guys, we have to go home so that we're gonna see what to do, because I'm so tired. I just went to do what? I went to charge my phone, because I don't have we don't have power. I took it to a kiosk so that I can charge it, and so I'll end the day like that. So guys, tell us where you are outside there. I don't know what to say, guys, and I cannot take it for granted. Thank you for coming to support me, guys. So the village is like this. So when you work, you wake, not even wakey. We are entering in the cassava bush. Sometimes people here don't, they usually go into like this. When it is late hours, I don't think whether you can pass over here, guys. You may wonder what happens here sometimes. Sometimes what happens? So you have to walk like 2 to 3 people, if not one. But sometimes I go and maybe when I'm going to collect my phone, I usually go like alone, like 7. So I go to collect my phone. So guys, we have reached home. Home is just near here. Drop a comment, let me know in the comment section if your village looks like this. It's very lovely, guys. Very lovely. So I have to pass like this so that we go and do our stuff. No, kuna mtu amechoka huko nje. Amenene. Wewe umela. He's so tired. He's never used to be outside like this. So this is home. When you are outside there, you feel like you are so tired, guys. So guys, here I have groundnuts. Groundnuts, actually someone Someone gave them to me and I left just to wash them. Whew. First time cooking groundnuts, guys. Ndio wanawasha, mimi hata sijai. So as you know, groundnut is very expensive, guys. But this one here, I found someone who was taken to his house, and then it just said, "Oh, you can take this one and go cook." It's a big surprise, guys. So now it goes. Ooh. So here I add water. Ready for cooking. So I have to put it on fire, and I have to add to chemusha it. Just boiling. It's not that hard, like cooking all water and water, adding water additives. So guys, here I have to add salt. So I guess I chumvi, so that when it is going to get boiled, it is going to get ready, like, guys. So unajua tu kichichini is dealing with smoke. So guys, welcome to this episode. My name is Grace Mission. If you are outside there, thank you always for coming to support me. I really appreciate the love. I talk live from my new village home, like, and I really appreciate the love, guys. So today I'm going to cook this. I found someone new having it. Nikamwambia, wewe uendi kukula hiyo. I'm supposed to have it because mimi ndio mgeni hapa. I'm the visitor here, guys. So let's wait until it's going to get ready, and we shall enjoy, guys. Thank you. Wow. So guys, let's see. This is ready. Sufuria imechafuka, imechakaa. Ndio. Mpaka tusugue. So guys, hapa ni kuchambua karanga. You don't need even to pray. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, my first time eating karanga. Wow. Chemusha. Never. So guys, let me know in the comment section whether you cook like this, your groundnuts. I want them to be cold, so that when you're eating, no disturbance. It's moving now. This is my first time for the whole year. First time eating boiled groundnuts. So guys, I hope you are enjoying this video here. I'm watching the feeling. This is our maize. It's getting dry. I'm waiting for my sister to come so that we can do the harvesting. And this is where we are staying. So I'll have to have a walk, guys. See how they build these houses. Here, this is sukuma wiki. Also here, they usually plant it, guys. There's a small toilet over there, as you can see it. So guys, I'm having a tour here so that I love to go and look for vegetables, because I don't have vegetables, guys. We have not planted there. If we plant it there, we wanna not get there because of some people who are staying there near us, our neighbors. You will not find any vegetable in the garden. And guys, I have to pause here. I'm not sure of this place, guys. See, so lovely houses, guys. Always, as I tell you, this is the boundary here of someone, of the fence. So guys, from the start of the video, we had been cooking groundnuts. That was my first time, first time since I was born. That's my first time cooking groundnuts, guys. Pressure place I've eaten. Feel like wow, it was lovely. It was very lovely, guys. So I'm having a walk. This is green maize here, but it is dry because of the wet. Also, it is too windy and hot. That means that it's going to get dry so quickly. Yeah. And here we don't have electricity, so usually people are using solar, guys. They're using solar. So see, I'm just going to here so that I have to see whether they have vegetables here. I don't know whether they are there because sometimes it's too hard, guys. So according to the village here, this is how you build your stuff, like a bathroom or a toilet. Like, guys, there's no one in there. This is a bathroom or a toilet. This is for showering, guys. This is for showering. You see? You stand like this. You stand like this and then you shower inside here. So this is lovely. I'll come, maybe I'll take a video here. I'll ask the owner so that to allow me to shower inside here. There's such a bathroom. The stems of maize. Here you can see they have planted spring onions. When you see the gate is closed like this, I think there's no one here, guys. I don't think whether there's someone here. Oh, let's see the another. Let's see the other, if we can find someone here. So guys, here we have ducks. So this is the gate here. Hodi karibu. Mnafanya nini? So guys, here we are. You see this whole house here. It's very tall, like a giraffe. It's very tall like a giraffe. See how it is, guys. This one here is if you have harvested tobacco, this is where you put inside, guys. So you place it. This is for smoke. Here you put firewood. Hapa ndio unaweka nini? Kuni. Oh, so you put firewood over here. This is where you put firewood, guys. Oh, Jesus. She's trying to laugh at me. She's there. So guys, from here, this is the door. The door. Ooh, see how it is, guys. See how it is, guys. So here, so they dry it inside here. Whoa. This is very new to me, guys. So this is the tobacco that is hung here. Wow, you can see we could have come earlier, but then it could have been better for us. Is it pipes condemned in the sun? Oh, tumako iwe inangi wife. Vile iko hapo hiyo imewekwa hivi. Hiyo sasa hiyo mabati ndio yanapeleka moto yanachoma ile tumbo. Oh. So guys, this one here is just taking up. This is the tobacco. They hang them here, all over here, all over up here. So this is taking up the heat up here so that it's gonna get dried. Ha! Hata ionekani. Haionekani. Sinaona.